Hello and welcome from the EMO 2025. We are here in Hall 17 at the booth from the companies Weiler and Kunzmann, and we are here in front of a world premiere. Gabriele, apprentice from Kunzmann, stands in front of our TNC7 Go. The TNC7 Go is a new straight cut control from HEIDENHAIN, the successor from our TNC 128. And Gabriele shows us now a few highlights of the TNC7 Go. One feature is the manual positioning of axes. Here we have a graphical support on the user interface of the TNC7 Go for the manual movement of Gabriele with the manual hand wheels of the Kunzmann machine. The Kunzmann machine is equipped with manual hand wheels on each of the axes. And you see, it is very easy with the new logarithmic position display, with the distance to go visualization, and we are now in the target position. Another highlight is our graphical positioning of the TNC7 Go. Here you see a drilling pattern. It is sketched on the display of the TNC7 Go. Very simple and can be machined point to point. Nothing has to be programmed in the NC, just sketching and positioning. We are here in a manual operation mode of the TNC7 Go. There's no automatic operating mode visible. And now we are finished with our manual operation, and we have a key switch here on the operating panel of the TNC7 Go available, where Gabriele can switch from manual operation back to full CNC operation. When Gabriele switches the key switch, you see on the left side on the screen of the TNC7 Go that the operating modes will appear. Gabriele is working now in the NC editing mode. You see on the right side the graphical simulation. We have an on-screen keyboard, and so it is very convenient to have the full CNC operation with included graphical simulation. So far, this is the new TNC7 Go from HEIDENHAIN. See you!